I was on a surf trip, and I realized that I couldn't shuffle up on the top of my board that well. It was getting worse and worse. My feet were getting numb. I had to stare at my foot and force it to move. I couldn't keep a flip-flop on. It'd just fly off. I went and searched on the internet, found Dr. Tollestrup in Henderson. We did the first leg, started to get better. Went on a surf trip, proved it was getting better. Did the second leg, went on a trip this year. I'm foil surfing, probably the best yet. And my dexterity is great. My vertical stability, my balance is better. I'm really happy I found Dr. Tollestrup. He got to do the operation, and I believe he's given me multiple years additional quality surf time.